to be a member of Barrett Sotheby's. It's the ultimate achievement. My name is Lilia Flores. I am a realtor affiliated with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. The first thing that comes to mind when I think about Barrett Sotheby's is their reputation and their commitment to excellent service. For me, reputation is a very high currency in the real estate market. It means everything. Barrett Sotheby's brings credibility and integrity. That reputation puts you ahead of the curve already. For me as a real estate agent, that helps me to build strong relationships with my clients. You come to Barrett Sotheby's, you will find all the tools you need to succeed.